Well, folks, it's almost closing time on the 2024 housing market, and let me tell you, it's been a wild ride. The market has seen some incredible highs and some unexpected lows. Remember those skyrocketing prices from the past few years? Gone. The bubble has burst, and prices have started to stabilize. Buyers are back in the driver's seat, but interest rates still pack a punch. With rates fluctuating, it's been a challenge for many to secure affordable financing. So is now the time to grab that dream home, or are we headed for a buyer's bonanza in 2025? The market is unpredictable, and many are weighing their options carefully. Let's dive in, shall we? The data shows a mixed bag of trends, with some areas seeing a resurgence in demand, while others continue to cool off. The real estate market is like a giant game of Monopoly, and right now, the board is being shaken up. Strategies that worked last year might not be as effective today. And right now, the board is being shaken up. Investors and home buyers alike are trying to navigate these choppy waters. We've seen it all this year, from bidding wars to price drops. The market has been anything but predictable. Hesitant buyers to eager sellers. The dynamics have shifted, and everyone is trying to find their footing. It's enough to make your head spin. The constant changes and the fast pace can be overwhelming for both buyers and sellers. But that's what makes this business so exciting. It's always changing, and there's always a new challenge to tackle. And the smartest investors know how to adapt. They stay informed, analyze the trends, and make strategic decisions to stay ahead of the curve. Education and staying updated with the latest market trends are crucial. Attending seminars, reading reports, and networking with other professionals can provide valuable insights. For those who have managed to navigate this roller coaster successfully, the rewards can be immense. Securing that dream home or making a profitable investment can be incredibly satisfying. The key is to stay patient, do your homework, and be ready to act when the right opportunity presents itself. As we look ahead to 2025, the market holds both promise and uncertainty. Will we see a buyer's bonanza, or will the market stabilize further? Experts are divided, but one thing is for sure. The real estate market will continue to be a dynamic and exciting field. So, buckle up and stay tuned, because the ride is far from over. The next chapter in the housing market saga is just around the corner. The name of the game in 2024? Uncertainty. We started the year with the market still adjusting to those interest rate hikes. Buyers were hesitant, sellers were holding on, and things were moving slower than a snail in a snowstorm. But hold on. Just when you thought you had it figured out, the market threw us a curveball. Interest rates finally stabilized, giving buyers a glimmer of hope. Sellers, realizing the days of multiple offers were long gone, started getting real about their asking prices. And guess what? People still need homes. So while it's not the frenzy of the past few years, the market is finding its footing, albeit cautiously. Now everyone wants to know what the future holds. Will 2025 be the year of the buyer? Will prices plummet? Well, I don't have a crystal ball, but I do have something better. AI. These brainy algorithms are crunching numbers and spotting trends faster than you can say closing costs. And what is AI telling us? Things are looking interesting. Some experts predict a slight dip in prices in certain markets, while others see steady growth. The truth is, nobody knows for sure. But one thing's certain, AI is giving us the tools to make smarter decisions than ever before. Okay, let's talk turkey. The real estate market can be a tricky landscape to navigate, but with the right information, you can make a smart decision that benefits you in the long run. Is now the time to buy? Well, that depends on a variety of factors, including your financial situation, your long-term goals, and the current market conditions. But let's break it down. Are you the kind of person who waits for the sale rack to clear out, hoping for that last-minute deal? Or do you snatch up that must-have item the minute you see it, knowing that it might not be there tomorrow? Your approach to shopping can tell you a lot about your approach to real estate. If you're in the latter camp, the go-getters who seize opportunities as they come, here's why buying now might be your power move. The current market conditions offer several advantages that you might not want to miss out on. First off, interest rates have stabilized. This means that while they are higher than they were a few years ago, they're not expected to skyrocket anytime soon. Yes, they're higher than a few years ago, but remember those crazy low rates? Those were practically giveaways. And let's be honest, What goes down must eventually go up. The historically low rates were an anomaly, and the current rates are more in line with long-term averages. Locking in a rate now means you won't get hit with sticker shock later. By securing a mortgage at today's rates, you can protect yourself from potential increases in the future. Locking in a rate now means you won't get hit with sticker shock later. Plus, with a fixed rate mortgage, your monthly payments will remain consistent, making it easier to budget and plan for the future. Second, it's a negotiator's market. This means that buyers have more leverage when it comes to negotiating the terms of the sale. Sellers are more willing to deal, and you might just snag that granite countertop upgrade you've been eyeing. With fewer buyers competing for the same properties, you have a better chance of getting the home you want at a price you can afford. And you might just snag that granite countertop upgrade you've been eyeing. Competition isn't as fierce, so you've got more room to breathe and make the right decision for you. You can take your time to find the perfect home without feeling rushed or pressured, so you've got more room to breathe and make the right decision for you. In addition, the current market conditions mean that you have more options to choose from, allowing you to find a home that truly meets your needs and preferences. So, if you're ready to make a move, now might be the perfect time to take the plunge and invest in your future. Now hold your horses. Before you rush out and make an offer, let's talk about why waiting might be the smarter play for some. The real estate market can be a tricky beast to tame. While it might be tempting to dive in head first, there are compelling reasons to consider holding off until 2025. Look, I'm all about seizing the day, but sometimes playing the waiting game can pay off big time. Patience, as they say, is a virtue, especially when it comes to making one of the biggest financial decisions of your life. Some experts predict a market correction in 2025. What does that mean? Essentially, a market correction is when property prices adjust to more realistic levels after a period of rapid growth. Prices could dip, giving buyers even more bang for their buck. Imagine getting your dream home for a fraction of what it costs today. Sounds appealing, right? If you're not in a rush and you're comfortable playing the long game, waiting might be the way to go. This approach allows you to save more for a down payment, improve your credit score, and be in a stronger financial position overall. Just remember, timing the market perfectly is like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. Tricky. The market is influenced by countless factors, from economic policies to global events, making it unpredictable. There's always a chance prices could go up, leaving you kicking yourself for not jumping in sooner. However, the potential benefits of waiting, such as lower prices and better financial readiness, might outweigh the risks. It's also a good idea to consult with financial advisors and real estate experts. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique situation and help you make an informed decision. Ultimately, the decision to buy now or wait is deeply personal. It depends on your current financial situation, your future plans, and your risk tolerance. Take the time to weigh your options carefully. Whether you decide to wait or take the plunge now, the goal is to find a home that brings you joy and fits your lifestyle. Happy house hunting!